Okay, we got day 18. The camper. I'm thinking I'm ready to go camping tomorrow. Oh wait. Alright. Maybe not tomorrow. I think I gotta clean up a little. Yeah, maybe I need to finish this too. Here's the progress though. I'm getting this front reframed up. The wood was totally gone. A little electrical work to do. To me, it looks pretty good. Those are new, the upright supports. Both sides. It may be nice when I get done. Not so nice right now. Okay, back outside. That's the old framing part of it. Just powder, basically. This is getting ready to go back together, which will be nice. And this can come out. That's holding the front area up. This is the real problem side. All this waving will go. This was crunched right down. But believe it or not, it's looking better every day. Day 18. Okay. Trying to work in this weather, something else. Gets a little warm in here in the heat of the day. Alright, that's it for now.